Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add Visa card balance to your Amazon account. Alright, let's begin. First, open your Amazon account and go to the search bar at the top. Type Amazon Reload and press enter. Look for the option labeled Amazon's Choice or something like that. This will take you to the Amazon Reload page. On this page, scroll down to select a preset amount or tap Other to enter a custom amount matching your Visa gift card balance. Let's say you have $75. Type that in and click Buy Now. On the next screen, do not place the order yet. Instead, you will be prompted to select the payment method. Select Debit Card from the top and enter your Visa card number, expiration date, CVV, and name. If the card says A Gift for You, either enter that or use your name. Click Add and Continue. Once added, you can complete the purchase. The Visa card amount will be converted into an Amazon gift card balance, which you can use for future purchases on the platform. So, that's basically how you can add Visa card balance to your Amazon account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.